Greetings, come on in. Tonight I'm going to discuss how I put together this DIY water purification system. I live in the high desert, and the water in the desert doesn't taste very good in the first place. Add a lot of chlorine to it, it gets pretty bad. Although the water is legal, I felt we should possibly purify it again. And there's a couple of videos on YouTube showing how to make a system like this. So that's where I got my idea. So what you will need is a sturdy stand and two 5-gallon food grade containers. You'll need a good plastic water spigot, and you'll need two Doulton candle replacement water filters, which run about 20 some bucks a piece on eBay. So the thing about the spigot, I was cautioned to order the spigot when I ordered the Doulton filters, and I didn't do that. So I ended up running all over town trying to find a decent plastic water spigot. So it's best to order it when you order the candles. So let's go and see how I constructed my water system. To start with, we're cutting the four sides out of a piece of plywood. Then we're going to take some 2x2 for the frames, and we're going to build two frames, one for the top and one for the bottom. Here you can see me screwing the frames together. We've got our bottom frame and our top frame. We're going to screw on the sides after this, and we screw on the sides, and we're ready to put the top on. Here you see it's coming along fine. We put the top on, and then we're going to put some wood putty on the top, on the sides, and sand it down. In the meantime, I varnished some half round for the trim, and that'll be ready. Here we are putting some sanding sealer on, and we'll sand it down nice, and then I'll apply my 2 coats of nice green paint. When I apply the paint, I put on the half round, and we got a handsome piece of furniture. Now we're getting ready to put in the spigot. We drill a hole for the spigot. I tightened down the spigot, and I had leaks, so I put some Lexan compound on the threads and then tightened it down, and I've had no leaks. Here we see the bottom of the one bucket. I've drilled two 5/8" holes, and in the top of one of the buckets I put two 2-inch holes that'll receive the candles. Here are the candles that are going to go into the holes. When you place the candles in the holes, make sure you hold them, because they're made out of ceramic. If they drop, they may break pretty easy. I've applied the washers and the wing nuts and tightened them down, and now I'm ready to insert the candles in the holes of the bottom of the bucket. After that, the water system will be complete. Here's the completed water system, and we're ready for some good water. Well, that's the system, and it's pretty simple to put together. The water tastes great. I only used 2 candles. Some of the videos I've seen have used more. If I find out the water don't trickle down fast enough, I may get more. But as it stands now, I put about 4 quarts of water in every day, and to keep the candles sort of in working order. And we have water every day. I don't fill it all the way up because there's only 2 of us drinking it. And when you tighten your candles down, tighten them down finger tight. And if you still taste chlorine in the water, because you have to run some water through a couple of times to make sure there's no particles or sediment in the system, and you'll be able to taste the chlorine. If you taste chlorine, tighten them down a little more, but don't tighten them too much because you don't want to break them. So anyway, that's my system. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you want to see more videos, join my channel and you'll see the upcoming video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.